Hey guys, Tony here. So not to freak anybody out, but I was actually looking at doggy's chart for the week, and weekly chart is like extremely bullish right now. On the MACD, we actually just crushed on the bullish side for the MACD, and the last time we did this, we actually ran up from that 0.00025 level all the way up to the 0.006 level, which is absolutely insane back in July. We've never been this oversold on doggy. And as of right now, it looks like we're actually going to be going up crazy, especially being this oversold. And we actually just crossed on the weekly side of the bullish MACD, which is absolutely nuts. Last time we did this, we did a 3x. As of right now, I mean, I don't know what we're going to do. I think we can easily beat the last the last time we hit those highs. Like, this is pretty crazy. I've never seen something so oversold finally hit on the bullish side, even on the stochastic. It's nuts.